What's up, Money Matrix community? Today I'm doing something different. I'm going to show you exactly how I budget my entire paycheck in just 30 minutes. No fluff, no theory, just my actual screen, my real numbers, and the exact system I use every single payday. By the end of this video, you'll have a bulletproof budgeting system that takes less time than watching an episode of your favorite show. And the best part, I'm giving you my free budget template in the pinned comment below. So grab that now before we dive in. Let's crack the code on budgeting. Section 1, the framework. Before we jump into my screen, let me show you the framework I use. I call it the 4-bucket system, and it's dead simple. Bucket 1, fixed expenses. These are your non-negotiables. Rent, utilities, insurance, car payments. Things that don't change month to month. Bucket 2, savings and investments. This is you paying yourself first. Emergency fund, retirement accounts, investment contributions. Bucket 3, variable necessities. Things you need but that fluctuate. Groceries, gas, phone bill, prescriptions. Bucket 4, discretionary spending. This is your fun money. Entertainment, dining out, hobbies, whatever brings you joy. The key to making this work? We fill the buckets in this order. Most people do it backward. They spend first, then try to save whatever's left. That's why they're always broke. Alright, let me share my screen and show you how this actually works. Section 2. Step 1, calculate total income. Okay, so here's my budgeting spreadsheet. First step is knowing exactly how much money is coming in. For me this month, I'm working with main job, $4,200 after taxes, side hustle, $600 total income, $4,800. Now, this is net income, what actually hits my bank account. If you have a regular income from freelancing or side hustles, I recommend using your lowest month from the past 3 months as your baseline. That way you're always budgeting conservatively. Pro tip, if you get paid bi-weekly, multiply one paycheck by 2.17 to get your monthly average. If you're paid weekly, multiply by 4.33. Section 3. Step 2, fixed expenses. Next up, fixed expenses. These are locked in, they don't change. Let me show you mine. Rent, $1 $400 car payment, $3 $20 car insurance, $110 phone, $65 internet, $50 streaming services, $35 renter's insurance, $18 total fixed expenses, $1,998. Notice I'm including everything that's automatic or due every single month. Some people forget subscriptions. That's why I have a subscriptions section where I list every single one. Netflix, Spotify, gym membership, whatever. Here's a quick tip. If you're not sure what all your subscriptions are, check your bank statements from last month. You'll be shocked what you find. So after fixed expenses, I have $4,800 to $1,998 equals $2,802 remaining. Section 4. Step 3. Savings and investments. Now here's where most people mess up. They skip this step. Not us. We're building wealth, remember? My savings bucket looks like this. Emergency fund, $400 Roth IRA, $500 investment account, stocks $300 sinking funds, car repairs, gifts $200 total savings, $1,400. That's 29% of my income going straight to my future. Now, your numbers might be different. If you're just starting out, maybe it's 10 to 15%. If you're in debt payoff mode, maybe you're putting extra toward debt here instead. The key is automate this. Every payday, these transfers happen automatically. I never see the money, so I never miss it. Remaining after savings, $2,802 to $1,400 equals $1,402. Section 5, Step 4, variable necessities. Alright, now for the expenses that change but are still essential. Groceries, $400 gas, $150 toiletries / household, $50 prescriptions / healthcare, $40 pet expenses, $60 total variable necessities, $700. For these, I use average amounts based on the last 3 months. If you're brand new to budgeting, track these for 1 month first, then you'll know your baseline. Pro tip, I use cash envelopes for groceries and gas. Once the envelope is empty, I'm done spending in that category. It's old school, but it works. Remaining, $1,402 to $700 equals $702 for discretionary spending. Section 6, Step 5, Discretionary Spending. Here's your fun money. This is guilt-free spending. dining out/coffee, $250 entertainment, $150 shopping/personal, $200 miscellaneous, $102. Total discretionary, $702. Notice something important. I'm spending every dollar on purpose. This is called zero-based budgeting. Every single dollar has a job, even if that job is fun money. That miscellaneous $102? That's my buffer. Life happens. Having a buffer means one unexpected expense doesn't blow up your whole budget. And there you have it. My entire $4,800 paycheck is now allocated in about 15 minutes of actual work. Section 7, Tools Recommendations. Now let me show you the tools that make this even easier. Option 1. In AB, you need a budget. This is what I use. It's $99 per year, but it's worth every penny. The app is clean, the philosophy is solid, and it syncs across all your devices. Best for people serious about budgeting. Option 2. Every dollar. This is the free option, or $17 per month for premium. Created by Dave Ramsey's team. Super user-friendly, great for beginners. The free version is totally functional. Option 3, Google Sheets, totally free, totally customizable. This is what I'm showing you today. The template I'm giving you is plug and play. Just download it from the pinned comment. Pick whichever one fits your style. The best budget is the one you'll actually use. Section 8, Pro Tips. Before we wrap up, here are 5 pro tips that changed the game for me. 1. Budget before the month begins. Don't wait until you get paid. Plan it out on the 25th of the previous month. 2. Review weekly. Spend 10 minutes every Sunday checking in. Are you on track? Need to adjust anything? 3. Use sinking funds. Set aside small amounts monthly for irregular expenses. Christmas, car registration, annual subscriptions. This prevents surprise expenses. 4. The 24-hour rule. For any unplanned purchase over $50, wait 24 hours. If you still want it, buy it. This kills impulse spending. 5. Track everything for 30 days. When you're starting out, track every single expense for 1 month. You'll discover where your money actually goes versus where you think it goes. One more thing, your first budget will suck. That's normal. By month 3, you'll have it dialed in. Give yourself grace while you learn. And that's it. You just watched me budget an entire paycheck in real time. Now it's your turn. Here's your action plan. 1. Download the free budget template in the pinned comment. 2. Block 30 minutes on your calendar this week. 3. Follow this exact process with your numbers. 4. Drop a comment telling me your biggest budgeting challenge. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Matrix Hub for more real, actionable financial content daily. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about intention. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now get out there and crack the code on your finances. I'll see you in the next video.